You can use the Yoast SEO plugin to optimize the individual pages. A default installation of WordPress will not have any option to enter the meta description or keywords meta tags for any page. To enter these meta tags, you will either need to modify the theme's header.php file or use a plugin. Since using a plugin is far easier than modifying theme files, we will use the Yoast SEO plugin to enter the title and description meta tags for every page. Also, it's not really easy to get WordPress to display SEO optimized titles if you choose to modify the header.php file. And even if you choose to modify the header.php instead of using a plugin, it's hard to specify a unique description meta tag for every page, and you want a unique description for every page. You do not want Google to choose the page description for you, though you cannot prevent them from doing that. You want to specify the description tag for every page. Description tags are very important if you want to maximize the number of people clicking through to your site from the SERPs. We will now see how to specify a unique title and meta description for every page using the Yoast SEO plugin. When you are in the Edit Page screen or the Add New Page screen, scroll down and you will see this section, Yoast SEO. Click on the tab, enter your focus keyword, and you will see the snippet preview. Click on Edit Snippet and you will be able to edit the title, slug, and the meta description. Slug is the user-friendly name of the page. What you enter here will become a part of the page's URL. Let's enter all these values now. Once you enter all of these values here, you will see the snippet. This is how your site's listing will appear in the SERPs. We will see later on how to optimize titles and URLs in the advanced SEO section. The focus keyword. It really does not matter what we use here, as we will be using the Thrive Content Builder plugin, and the text on the page will not be read by the Yoast SEO plugin. Likewise, the options in the readability section do not matter. We will be using the Thrive Content Builder plugin to create pages, and the Yoast SEO plugin will not be able to read the text on any of the pages, and so it will not be able to analyze it. We are now using the Yoast SEO plugin here only to create titles and descriptions, since WordPress does not allow us to create unique descriptions.